Hi guys, it's Chloe from Landau. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be unboxing the brand new Nike Air Force Utility LV8 in black, hyper pink and screen green. So I'm just going to get straight into it. So here is the box. If you've got a pair of LV8s, you will know they come in this black box as opposed to the grey box. I have picked these up in a size 8 or a US 9. They are a men's shoe, this one. Here is the shoe. Definitely a lot going on this shoe. We have got the swooshes on the forefoot, the classic Nike quote, which is usually on the tongue, the over branding on the tongue, the over branding on the back strap, rubber sole, leather contours. This is a cool shoe. Nike's inspiration from this shoe comes from nightclubs around Europe. I feel like this shoe is very 90s, like it really fits in with that whole edgy 90s look. Nike have brought out a utility pack before. I don't know if some of you managed to get your hands on them. They were representative of different things. They brought out the neon yellow one, which was like representative of like work, everyday work, the high vis kind of vibe. So I think the main feature of like the utility pack is that it takes all the classic Nike features and puts them on a more contemporary design. Like the Nike quote that is normally on the tongue, it takes that from where you don't normally see it and puts it right on the front of the shoe. So if you want to get your hands on a pair of these utilities, then head to our website. They are £95, which I think is really reasonable for what you're getting. With an Air Force, I would recommend sizing down. If you're normally an 8, go for a 7 because they do cut big. My personal opinion on these shoes is I honestly think they are such a statement shoe. They've taken a classic black Air Force, put a pop of colour in it, and it literally just looks so cool. We'd absolutely love to know what you think of these shoes, so leave us a comment down below and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. See you again soon.